lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and we've got a very exciting video today because in today's video I am doing a huge collab with not only my Patreon but Luce's Patreon, Alex's Patreon, Bryony's Patreon. Like, we're all doing this huge collab of makeup that we forgot about, and basically, if you don't know what a Patreon is, it's like you pay like a couple of quid a month to, sorry, itchy nose, to become part of my Patreon. That we've got exclusive perks. So I've got like a, what's that group? Telegram group. I've got an Instagram page, and I will be doing giveaways soon. So yeah, if you are interested in joining my Patreon, then just check the description box down below because there's all the instructions in there how to join. But yeah, let's just get started because this is crazy, because this is makeup that I've forgotten about. And there is quite a few bits in here that I have forgotten about. So let's start off with eyeshadow palettes. I have the Sample Beauty Equalizer Volume 2 palette. I have definitely forgotten about this palette. And it's so gorgeous. So yeah, not sure what I'm going to do with it. You know what? I do know what I'm going to do with it. We're going to use this middle row, which when I reviewed it, I think I did use that middle row. I actually don't know because I used it once, so I can barely tell what I used. I want to start with this shade here called Love and just packing it in my outer crease. Now let's take the shade called On and just blend out the edges. Forgot how much I love this palette. And there's so many new releases, I'm always forgetting about something, aren't I? Always. We are just like throwing the colours on and then I'm going to blend them out after. I want to take this shade Comfort in like the inner corner here. It's like a lovely, like muted pink, I'd say. And to blend both of these colours, I'm going to take the shade Day. So I've gone ahead and just blend everything out, and now for the star of the show, I'm using an eye candy pigment that I have not used in a very long time. I have cut my crease. You know I never cut my crease, but I thought might as well for today. Oh crap. Whoa. Well, that is what it looks like, okay? It's everywhere now, all over my top and everything. It's sticking down nicely, like proper. It's like a silvery gold, but it is all over my beauty blender, so that is going to be fun. So just want to go in with that shade Warm and just blend out the edges a little bit. So that is what one eye looks like. I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye, and then we're going to come back for some base. But really like it. Also going to put these Girls with Attitude eyelashes on because there's not really any lashes I've forgotten about, to be fair. Eyes are semi-complete, put my brows on and everything, and now we're going to be using, do you remember this? This I was using all summer last year. This is the Tasty Peach Mattifying Priming Spray. I'm going to use this. I love this. It has so much hydration in it. It just used to give me such a nice base. Now that I've done my eyes, I'm scared that I'm going to transfer, so I'm going to do this like in portions. Still smells amazing. Okay, we're ready. Try and kind of close my eyes. Oop. Used to give me such a nice tacky base. Just like moving it about a bit. It literally feels like water on your face, but a little bit thicker. Gives me such a nice glow other than all that glitter on me. But yeah, for foundation, something that I've forgotten about for the longest time is my L'Oreal True Match. I haven't worn this. I think I brought this out in my last makeup I forgot about because I've really been enjoying my Conceal and Define. Like, it is the perfect undertone. I found my perfect shade. I wear it for work. I wear it just to slap it on and run out the door. Fantastic foundation. So I've kind of given this a backseat. So gonna put this on real quick because we all know how much I used to love this, and I slowly think Revolution's Conceal and Define is taking over. Another thing I've forgotten about is my MUA Pro Base powder. I have not used this in the longest time. That foundation went over the top of that primer so smoothly. My skin has not been the greatest because summer is just not here, and by now we usually have a bit of sun, which usually helps the fact that I've been through winter with like no hydration on my skin. So yeah, sun needs to come out, so we're gonna whack this on. I don't actually wear concealer anymore, so there's no point me wearing concealer in videos if I don't wear it in real life. I just don't see the point in it anymore. I do usually just whack it around my nose, but fully cannot be asked to whack it around my nose, the concealer. I forgot how dusty this powder is. Another thing I've really forgotten about for the longest time, I have not used this, my MUA Pro Bronze. I feel like I need to do like a Project 10 pan, because I have hit pan, but it'd be nice to actually finish up some of these products. So let's whack this on, because I have not used this in the longest time. I don't look as bronzed as I usually do, so I feel like, don't worry actually, because we're gonna go in my Rockateur blusher. So hopefully, because it's kind of like it's pink, but it's got like a bronzy undertone, maybe that will give me a little bit more colour too. This is another blush that I used to use the hell out of, and I really feel like I should just finish it off as well. Then for highlight, we are going in with this Born to Glow palette. This is NYX. This is something that I used in a First Impressions and put away, but this gold shade is stunning, so we're gonna whack that everywhere, literally everywhere. Look at that. Let's put it in the inner corner and brow bone as well. This was a little pricey, so I got it from IMATS a few years ago, but do you know what? It is a stunning highlight, but it's not like I haven't got this highlight already in my collection, because I'm telling you, I have. For lips, I have not used these in the longest time, since like lockdown, the first one. This is the Peaches and Cream Hold the Line lip liner set, but there's even some that I haven't opened yet. But I think the darkest one is Hotline. And then I'm also going to put in my waterline this LA Girl Vivid eyeliner pencil. This is the purple one. I heard so many good things about it, bought it so quickly off of Beauty Bay, and then never used it, so I'm gonna chuck that in my waterline, and then we'll come back to finish off the lips and the eyes. So I finished the look off by putting a bit of a clear gloss over my lips, and then under my eyes I did end up going in with Bitter, which literally looks exactly like the eyeliner. I am so happy with this look. Like, I've got so much mess around me, but proper happy with this look. I love everything. My chin did sting a bit when I put the primer on, but I don't know if that was because I have done like my skincare today, like semi done my facial, and I think I might have just done a little bit too much on my chin, but other than that, like, I'm really happy with this look, happy with everything. I need to use some of my products up more, but I have been attempting to use more products when I go to work now. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this makeup I forgot about collab. Please go and look in the description box for all the girls that are taking part, their links. Like, I cannot believe this is like the first, I've been doing many collabs, but this is the first collab that involves my Patreon group. And again, if you want to be a part of my Patreon group, the link is below in my description box. And I hope you guys did enjoy this. I'm really happy with the overall look, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.